So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert any image to the JPEG format on your Windows laptop. Now, for example, this is the image, and let's say it's any of the format. Now, if I want to convert it to the JPEG format, simply click over there, right click over there, click on Open with, click on Photos. Now here, you simply need to click on this option of the three line and click on this option of Save As. Now here you can easily change the saving type in the JPEG, the JPG, the PNG or anything that you want. For this video I'm going to show you the JPEG format. Hit on JPEG, browse and select the location where you want to save that particular photo. Hit save and you'll notice that the photo is saved in JPEG format right there. This is the JPEG format and this is the JPEG file format. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.